Hey everyone, so today I'm thrilled to be reviewing a casting kit that seriously got me excited. I've been wanting to try Jesmonite for ages, but it's not readily available here in the Philippines, so when Boo and Nicole reached out to try their Boowannite kit, paired with some of their silicone molds, let's just say I jumped at the opportunity. Could this be the budget-friendly Jesmonite alternative I've been waiting for? Let's begin. First, find a clean workspace and gather all your supplies. So Boowannite is a mineral-based powder and it comes with aqua resin liquid. The recommended ratio is 300 gram powder to 100 gram liquid. It's also odorless, which is a huge plus for crafting in smaller spaces. The kit includes 5 pigment colors, and I'm starting with a bold black. The mixture flows smoothly into the molds, promising fewer air bubbles. Gently tap the molds. This helps those sneaky air bubbles escape and gives you a smoother finish. Unlike gypsum, which sets quickly and requires fast work, Boowannite gives you a more relaxed mixing experience. You can take your time and not worrying about it hardening before you pour it into the mold. This makes Boowannite a great option for beginners. Look at Dot, the finish is super smooth and there aren't any bubbles visible on this one. Looks like I got a little carried away with the pigment. See how it's staining my fingers? This is a good reminder to always wear those gloves the kit comes with. Don't be like me, protect your pretty hands. Alright everyone, we've got our first creation out of the mold and looking good. This Boowannite stuff is pretty easy to work with, so I'm feeling confident for round 2. This time, let's get a little adventurous and mix some colors. Okay, maybe a little too adventurous. I was aiming for a nice beige. But let's just say this ended up more on the earthy gray side. See, that's the beauty of experimenting. Don't be afraid to mix things up and see what happens. The worst that can happen is you learn something new, and maybe end up with a cool, unexpected color. I also have to give a shout out to these fantastic Nicole molds. Not only are the designs super detailed, but they also come with these cool little brackets. These brackets help keep the silicone molds perfectly in shape while the Boowannite cures. Speaking of cure, Boowannite actually cures in about 30 minutes. That gives you plenty of time to mix your colors, experiment with designs, and maybe even clean up a little in between pours. Let's ditch the single color design and see what we can do with this cool tray mold. Also from Nicole Molds, I'm thinking a two-tone masterpiece, and to make things pop, I'm going to use this gorgeous gold leaf as a separator between the colors. I have some leftover Boowannite from the first project. I crushed it up for some homemade terrazzo chips. One batch of Boowannite gets a pop of color and the other gets these chips. The moment of truth, it's demolding time. The best part about these Nicole molds, demolding is super easy. The silicone is really flexible, so peeling the Boowannite out is a breeze. These molds are seriously impressive. The Boowannite came out nice and clean, but the colors seem a little patchy in some spots. The colors look a little uneven. Maybe I didn't mix the pigment thoroughly, or perhaps these colors need a different mixing technique. Either way, that's the beauty of experimenting. It gives us a chance to learn and improve our technique next time. Last but not least, finishing touches. The kit actually comes with these handy sandpaper sheets, perfect for smoothing out any rough edges on your Boowannite creations. So there you have it, a complete project from start to finish with the Boowannite kit and molds. Honestly, this combination of the Boowannite kit and the Nicole silicone molds is a dream come true for crafters. It's easy to use, produces stunning results, and offers incredible value for money. If you're looking to experiment with casting or elevate your crafting game, I highly recommend checking them out.